Hi. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 forklift scenes in Hollywood movies. Before we dive in, the entire team at Angus Lift Trucks would like to thank you for watching this video. We are a well-established forklift truck company in the Midlands, with over 30 years of experience in providing services from forklift hire, sales, maintenance, and repairs, to training on all types of forklifts. We are also accredited and provide CPC and first aid training. Our experts are always on hand for free, no obligation quotes at our shops in Hinckley, Leicestershire, and Ilkeston, Derbyshire. Of course, do share and like this video, it really motivates us to do more similar videos. Without further ado, let's dive in. 1. Yours, mine, and ours. This funny scene features a couple of boys accidentally wreaking havoc on a small grocery store while their father chases them down in a desperate attempt to stop them. The forklift featured seems to cause little physical damage, although I can't imagine how much repairs to the store must have cost, let alone the repairs of the forklift. I think the moral of this particular forklift movie scene is that chasing toys into heavy equipment is never recommended, no matter the situation. 2. Smokey and the Bandit. Smokey ought to know better than to treat his partner Snowman with such carelessness. But should Snowman have hopped on top of the forklift? The recklessness in this scene contributes to the ridiculous situation. If you ever consider jumping onto a forklift, I recommend doing something else. There's no reason to endanger yourself the way Snowman does. 3. The Incredible Hulk. Forklift truck scenes in Hollywood movies are usually entirely predictable. However, this one stands out in that throwing a forklift across a warehouse is possibly the last thing I expected. I think the best moment here is how the forklift comes out of nowhere. Sometimes life needs the unexpected. 4. Ride Along 2. This is one of the greatest forklift truck movie scenes because it shows a more creative use for what is clearly a multifunctional piece of heavy equipment. The best forklift movie scenes ought to bring a smile to your face. I think this scene accomplishes that particular requirement splendidly. 5. Underground. This scene must come with a warning, it's slightly graphic. The best forklift movie scenes up until now show some comical uses of the heavy equipment, although no qualified forklift truck drivers appear to be present. While a tragic way to end one's life, there is ridiculousness about this scene that removes some of the gravitas. There is, however, an important lesson to be learned: fancy driving is no match for a forklift. So, to wrap up, these are only 5 of the many forklift scenes in Hollywood movies. If you are looking for a more comprehensive review, which includes more movies, videos, and more, do have a look at our detailed article Top 15 Forklift Scenes in Hollywood Movies. See the link in the description. Of course, if you are looking for more videos on all things forklifts, from the funniest forklift jokes to theory test questions forklift drivers often get wrong, do subscribe to our channel and like or share our video. Do check out some of the most popular articles on our blog, see links in the description. Finally, if you consider hiring a forklift, buying a new or a used one, jumping on a new maintenance contract, or training on any type of forklift or CPC training, do give our team a call.